going on, everyone? Got a 2013 Toyota Prius. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If you look on the left side of the remote, there's a button right here that says push. Okay, we're going to push that, and then we can pull the emergency key out the bottom. Now if we look where the emergency key was, okay, it was inserted in here, in this slot here. But we're going to use this slot to split the remote open, okay? So I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. You can use the emergency key to do this, but I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. And it opens right up just like that, all right? And be careful with this part right here, because if you let this fall out, all the little button pieces will fall out, okay? So we're going to put that off to the side. Here we have the keypad circuit board. We're just going to take this out real quick and flip it over. And when we flip it over, we can pull out the battery. This is why we want the little flathead screwdriver, because the key is a little bit too big. But the battery just come flying out just like that. And I'll get you a new one, and I'll show you what size this thing is, because it's kind of a little weird size. So here is the new one, okay? It's going to be a CR 1632. I'll have a link down in the description box if you need to get one of these. It takes you to Amazon, and you can pick them up pretty cheap there. We're gonna, if you notice right here where it has all the words and stuff like that, it's got a positive sign. That's gonna be facing out towards us, and we're gonna slide it back in here, and it clicks right back in just like that. And then we'll put this guy all back together just like we took it apart. So we'll get this guy here, and we want to make sure we don't turn this over and knock all the buttons right out of it. But I'm gonna get this and just snap this back together the best we can, just like that. Return the emergency key to the remote. We're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you again in another video.